So I've got Thomas. This I set out with Thomas. I remember just Thomas. It looks like that he does but I have no idea why. Because this Thomas is 99 years old. Is that very old? It is. Is 99? Yeah, I'm not lying. As well, this is 39 years old. Is this? Yes, it is. Is it really? Why? But is this really 99? Are you joking? So I have no idea because I've seen Thomas that is in better shape. But it does still have this sticker on the cab. But it does still have this sticker on the number. The Thomas that I have in better shape is missing this number. It's just like blue. Up next is Edward. This is another neat piece. Edward has lots of details, especially the coupling. Especially a long time ago, I kind of had it and I pulled it too hard because I wanted to make it into so I could replace his tendril with something so I could make a flatbed. But fortunately, I actually broke this, so it had to stay like a tender. Unfortunately, I just had to put some Play-Doh there, Play-Doh right there, and some plastic soft stuff there. Up next is Henry. This is another neat piece. Henry is also friends with like Edward and Thomas. But as well, Henry is just like this shiniest, goodest engine I have. And I love it, and I love this wheel configuration. It's just like the real TV show. It's hard to believe that this engine is 29 years old. Up next is Gordon. Well, what's left of it anyway? This poor Gordon is completely destroyed. I just didn't know because the tender has completely broken. So this bit of raised is actually broken. So that it did have that yellow base, but I've lost one of those blue bits. I couldn't really do that. It was really grey. If I still had this grey thing, it would look a lot better in my TV show. But none of the old models are like this. You can kind of recognise what this model used to look like. It was probably the longest engine. He was probably the longest engine I have. Just a very longer than Henry. And they did a great job with the face. This. Up next is James. This is another good piece. James is just, when I was a kid, I just played with it so much. And this smudging on there, and that smudge on there is from me a long time ago. I think I tried to take a Sharpie marker and fix his eyebrow. It must have rubbed off, and then it just suddenly just disintegrated. And it just, look, there's one eyebrow left. See, look. You can kind of recognise what his eyebrows used to look like. It would look better. Up next is Percy. This is another neat piece. But these wheels look too small, and the proportion to the rest, and the face looks like it's too far forward. The wheels look too big, and the proportions to the rest of it is bigger, and its proportions aren't quite right either. It's not necessarily making a bad model. It just means that these proportions are a little bit off. It's not quite like it. Up next is Toby. This is also very neat. I just love how they did these special fins on it. And especially especially when I was a kid, but I'm grown up now, so it's just that this thingy is just so grey. It's just that it looks like so grey. If this was so white, but we need lots of white paint. Do we have some white paint, Daddy? Here we do. Up next is duck. Unfortunately, this model is missing its smokestack. I have to be American.
Do you?
No, I mean, unfortunately, this model is missing its funnel. But duck doesn't have this green on the side. It should be black. If this model was black, if it just had a nice black strip on the side, it'd look a lot better. Oh no! Probably is because this model is faded, but the GWR should be a nice bright yellow. Looks kind of green to me. Up next is Skull Owie. Up next is Bill and Ben, the several twins in the TV show. Kind of might have seen these, but you didn't see them very often. Have you remember seeing them? This is Bill.
They're not really, though, are they?
They are.
Are we pretending?
Yeah. No, don't do that. They actually are Bill and Ben. So these Bill and Ben. Bill and Ben, Bill and Ben, Bill and Ben, Bill and Ben. I'm always doing these olden days because I just love the olden days because they're actually just toys. So that's really just how I do this. Now it's there. And next is Skull Owie. This is another neat, good piece. Unfortunately, when I played as a kid, I thought that this paint was kind of pink looking, a kind of dark pink to me, and I didn't really care about this. But unfortunately, you can see all the way through it. And you know, that big circle, I think that's for a driver to sit. It needs to be the right size, but I think it might need to be a squished up mini one. So it needs to be small. Up next is Scarlet Rheneas. There's another neat one. But this looks too but when I was played as a kid I thought it was too sparkly pink. But now I think it's red sparkly and I kind of like it because I kind of like this detail. Do you like it, Daddy?
Yes.
It's kind of like all the red paint all over it. It's kind of like this is a bit, these were just painted and not stickers. These weren't stickers. Up next is Rusty. This is another one. So, unfortunately, I don't know why they did this number 5. If it didn't have the number 5, it would look a lot better. Just like Skull Owie, as well as Rheneas. This is just so silly that they did this. Unfortunately, Rusty is kind of like this. Up next is Duncan. Now, this Duncan looks much similar to Steven, but this Duncan, because on the video link, it just looks a lot like Steven, but really it's Duncan. It really looks like Duncan. It's cemented. It looks like Duncan to me. It looks like the old days, so it's a lot bigger than these. This means it's smaller engines like Thomas, Gordon and Henry. And this model, and I love how they did this big wheel. This actually, I can see it when I show it to myself. It's hard, but I just do this. Did you like this? It's kind of red on his bit of wheel. Kind of that I love that the people love it when they watch the TV show. Up next is Duke. There's a release that this looks like more like Mike. This looks like more like Duncan than it looks like Steven, but this is actually, in my theory, it looks more like Duke. Looks like it's the same size as Duncan, but it's not the same size like these other engines. They're a bit lots bigger. But usually he's smaller than these engines. Especially, he's definitely small. Up next is Boko. You might get this character confused with Daisy, but this is an entirely different character. As well as I have this, the wheels look good, and this special, I just love this red decoration there. As well as this one, because this one is slowly peeling away. This is slowly peeling away. I think when I first got this, I think it was already peeling away. These are my express coaches, so when I put Gordon on the tracks, this piece might be missing. Definitely it will. But kind of this tender might break. I put it on the rails maybe. Because this piece right there is has slowly gone. It's kind of broken. So if this was just up there and there was that yellow piece was there, it would look a lot better. Up next is my mail car. This mail car, when I was a kid, I decided it was Cloudwell, but can't take it off because it's actually Ertl, and these Ertl stuff stickers won't come off. This bit of blue will come off as well. What, before I close, is this Thomas Carrion. Okay. It's nice to put these. Please can you help?
Yeah. You can film. You hold the camera? Can you hold the camera?
Yeah. Nice to take these engines that I put in. So I'll tell you which ones. So I put the Steam Team in, and also Boko and Bill and Ben. So I'll take this and kind of play some stuff somewhere. So as well, I think that I should take these carriages, but I think I should maybe put these in a bucket somewhere. So I think I just don't have one. Maybe I should just open this again. Maybe I should just put this. Oh, Dave, please can you?
Is this the end of the video?
Please can you help?
Me?
Yeah. There. I'm just doing. Sometimes the phone makes it big enough, so it's easy to take these stuff to different people places. So goodbye.